Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Joe from MakeUseOf.com and this is the TerraMaster D5 Thunderbolt 3 Raid. The D5 looks almost identical to the D5 300C we reviewed last year, bar the addition of a chunky carrying handle on the top. It uses the same TerraMaster drive bays you may know and love, and even uses the same buttons, chassis and lights. That's where the similarities end, however. Inside, the D5 is a speed freak, designed to be the ultimate device in speed, convenience and reliability. This device is incredible. Here's the important stuff. 2 Thunderbolt 3 interfaces, 1 DisplayPort interface, hardware RAID controller, hot spare, online capacity expansion, email alerts, flash cache, staggered drive spinner, automatic RAID rebuild, event logging, and hot swapping. The dual Thunderbolt 3 interfaces allow you to daisy chain other Thunderbolt devices, and the DisplayPort interface is able to drive a 4K display. With a maximum capacity of 60 terabytes, you won't be running out of storage space anytime soon, but if you do, the big brother D8 is an 8-bay variant. The D4 is a 4-bay version, but we think the D5 represents an excellent balance between capacity and affordability. If you choose to use mechanical drives instead of SSDs, you can install an optional SSD as a flash cache. This is a great idea and is an excellent way to boost the speed of your array. Automatic RAID rebuilding, hot swapping, hot standby, and bad sector remapping are all pro-level features that you may not need right now, but to see features like these on a consumer-level device is a welcome change. Inside the box you'll find the RAID alongside a power supply, mounting screws, tools, stickers, and a 1 meter, 20 gigabit per second Thunderbolt 3 cable. If you install SSDs into the D5, you won't experience any vibrations and you'll encounter very little noise. Noise and vibrations do increase with mechanical drives, but the fans do an excellent job at keeping them cool without excess noise, heat or vibrations. Price of $800 is enough to make you think twice about purchasing the D5, especially when it comes without drives. While this price may seem high, it's about on par with other Thunderbolt 3 raids, and when you look at the speeds the D5 is capable of, along with its huge spec sheet, it almost seems like a bargain. RAID management is carried out through TerraMaster's RAID Manager Pro software. This can be hard to find on TerraMaster's website, but it generally works well once installed. A RAID driver is available alongside RAID Manager Pro. Windows and macOS downloads are available, but Linux is not supported. If you're running Windows, you can simply install the .exe file, but it's far more complicated to install on macOS. There's no installer, you'll need to run the build script or execute a series of commands via the terminal. This is unacceptable for a modern software package. Once you've got it installed, RAID configuration is simple. A dated but functional web interface provides several buttons and tabs with which you can configure, tweak and adjust settings. While this works well enough once you finally get it installed, we would like to see a more polished native app, especially given the price. Moving on to speed, the D5 has got it where it counts, and it can deliver on its claimed speeds when writing data and comes pretty close when reading. For our testing, Kingston sent us 5 480GB UV500 SSDs. These SSDs are capable of transferring data at 520 megabytes per second for reads and 500 megabytes per second for writes. With outstanding hardware encryption and reliability, the UV500 series SSDs are the perfect match for this Thunderbolt RAID. We configured 5 UV500s as a RAID 0 array, and the speeds you can achieve are quite stunning. We were able to get 977 megabytes per second read and 770 megabytes per second write. Speeds approaching 1 gigabyte a second are excellent, especially on an external drive. For a more traditional test and a fault-tolerant system, we installed 4 4TB Seagate mechanical hard drives and configured a RAID 1+0 array. While mechanical hard drives are much slower than SSDs, RAID 1+0 does provide a good balance between reliability and speed. With 16 terabytes configured as RAID 1+0, the total available storage is 8 terabytes. The D5 achieved a very respectable 440 megabytes per second read and 415 megabytes per second write. This is excellent and almost starts to approach the speed of a single SSD. The D5 Thunderbolt 3 is an expensive choice, but it's worth it if you need the speed or capacity it offers. Basic home users may want to look elsewhere for cheaper options, but for the working professional, up-and-coming YouTuber, or redundant storage fan, the D5 is an excellent choice. When compared to the price of similar Thunderbolt 3 devices, the D5 comes up as one of the cheaper options. Let down by the troublesome Mac software, the D5 follows TerraMaster's tried and tested hardware design, along with a huge number of premium features. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure you like and subscribe if you've not done so already. Leave a comment down below telling us what you think of the TerraMaster D5 Thunderbolt 3 RAID. Let us know if you'll be buying one. Hey guys.